music is where I'd like you to touch.
Okay, I'm going to show you how to get free iPhone ringtones. First, you're going to open up iTunes. Now go to Edit, Preferences, click the Advanced tab, and click the Importing tab. And make sure beside Import Using, the AAC encoder is selected, and hit OK. Now you're going to go to Music, and you're going to find the song that you want to be as your ringtone. Once you found it, you're going to listen to it and find what parts of the song you want to be as your ringtone. And look at how many seconds that you want it to start at and how many seconds you want it to stop at. I already know what I'm going to do, so I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to go to Get Info. Then hit Options tab. You type in the start time you want it to start at and the stop time you want it to stop at. So I typed in 0:31 and I want it to start at the start time. And hit OK. And you're going to right click on the song that you just selected and then click Convert Selection to AAC. Takes a second. And then it should pop up and start playing. Now you're going to right click on the file that just converted. Click Show in Windows Explorer. Now you're going to need to go to Tools and hit Folder option. Click View. Click View. And then go to where it says